Welcome back to another tutorial from Truly Outrageous Beauty. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this eyeshadow look. I'll be using my eyeshadow brush and our first color is called Rome. So we're just going to sweep this across the whole lid, back and forth, blending. It's really best to start with a lighter color as your base and use it as a transitioning shade for your other colors. Our next shade is called Gilded. This one I'm going to be applying to the crease. Again, just using those same back and forth windshield wiper moves. This really helps to give you a nice blended look. You'll notice that this shade is a little bit darker than Rome. Again, transitioning from lightest to darkest. Our third shade is called Trust. This is actually a matte eyeshadow. The previous two that I used are shimmer. This one I'm going to keep in the outer corner of my eye. Using that same shade and the smaller end of my eyeshadow brush, I'm going to line my lower lash line with Trust. The fourth shade I'm going to be using today is called Sis. This is another shimmer eyeshadow. This one I'm going to just put on the inner corner and center of my eyelid. You can use your brush to do this, but if you really want to make it pop even more, use your finger. And here is the completed look. If you would like to shop these colors, the link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!